For hundreds of years, religious and secular communities have tried to represent their traditions, values, and beliefs in a variety of forms. Some of the most vivid of those came in the form of manuscripts, this handwritten work of art. The St. John's Bible returns to that tradition by bringing forth the methods, tools, and materials that the ancient scribes used into a 21st century book. The St. John's Bible is a monumental work of art. It employed 23 artists and scribes over 15 years. It includes over 160 artworks. And everything they did, every method they used, will be recognized today by an ancient scribe that came back to visit. While we won't be able to bring the original folios of the St. John's Bible to the Minnesota Center for Book Arts, we will have on display that evening 7 volumes of the Heritage Edition. This will be a rare opportunity for guests to explore and turn the pages on the entire St. John's Bible,